What are those little things?
Marble.
Marbles? That's a turtle. Here's our green sea turtle. Peekaboo. And here's a shark, right?
What shark is it?
I don't know, baby shark?
Yeah.
Yeah? Marble sharks? What are we doing?
Making marble run.
Making the marble run. That's right. And here we're gonna put the launch pad right there. Then we're gonna take our shark. Let's see how it works. Oh. Where'd it go? Next we're going to build a slide. This is the left slide. There we go. It's a slide.
It's a slide.
It's a slide. Watch him go down.
Oh, he's here again.
He rolled off the edge of the screen. Slide right on the top.
Yeah.
Let's test it out.
Yeah.
Oh, here he goes again. Whee! Now we're gonna build the biggest part. We're gonna build a bridge. What colors do you see?
Rubber.
Yellow, that's right.
Orange. Rubber. Blue. Rubber.
And yeah.
Rubber.
We're
Red.
gonna put our orange pieces, just like that.
Blue. The more orange.
Gotta add the blue piece right there.
The blue.
Dark blue, light blue. Wow, it's tall.
The more blue. The more blue.
See what happens when I press.
Three boots. Or 4 boots. The more boots.
Then we add our connecting piece.
Another blue.
Yep.
A goldfish blue.
Oh, red goldfish. Goldfish are gold. It's a red fish.
Red goldfish blue.
First, we need to put this cool picture.
A gob.
What's gonna go on top of this in the front? What's gonna go on top of
The
this?
more boots.
What's that?
A red creature.
Red creature? It's an octopus.
A open birds.
Octopus.
A open boots.
Octopus.
The boots.
There you go. Red octopus.
Red octopus.
Yeah, and what are these?
Sea and blue rubber blue.
Seaweed.
Seaweed.
They're underwater plants.
Why?
Green underwater plants. Wow! There goes the marble. The shark marble and then the turtle marble. Press the lever. Oh, it didn't work.
Why did it work?
You didn't push it hard enough. Not enough force. I don't know, it takes practice. Here he goes. He gets the octopus and knocks the
Let
green
me
one down.
hope you didn't work and you got beaten.
Oh, you want to help me edit the videos?
Yeah.
You're helping me right now.
Yeah. Let me try help you do some videos on YouTube.
Okay.
Let me see.